So, good everyone, about the video, the last video I did about the tune. This is how to set the tune. I used Matrix. Come closer, sorry. I used Matrix. You go to Synth, you see Matrix. This is how to get what you want. Sorry. Matrix. So, at the Matrix, you go to the effects. This effect side. To the effect side, you go to DSP. 2. Then go to right 1. Then go to delay. Then go to modulation, sorry. Then chorus 1. DSP 2. Right 1, modulation, chorus. Then you go back. Then come to the voice set. You come to this controller. You make this. You make this 4. Make this 4. Then come to the sound. You come down to the vibrator. You make this one 12. Then this one 10. Then this one -3. Delay -3. Then you go up. You come to this harmony. You make it 4. Brightness. You make it 4. Attack. You make it 6. Make this one 4. Then make release. And that's it. That's the tune. That's the tune. So look at the normal tune here. Look at the normal tune of the Matrix. Look at the normal tune of the Matrix. Normal Matrix. Now that one. You put on your DSP and vibration. Put it on. Your DSP and your vibration.